Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I am here with a new mini album to share with you. So let's take a look.
Gravel road, I've been asked to slow down.
So hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with an 8x8 mini album. I am using the Home Sweet Home Beautiful Paper Collection by Minta, and this was actually a project for my subscription box. So this is the box for the month of May, and this box is available as a standalone right now, so you can find that on my website. And when you purchase the box, it comes with the papers, the flowers, the ephemera, and also it includes the video class. So the base cardstock it's not included, and the chipboard's not included. The magnets, of course, the glue and tape, all of those basic supplies are not included on the box. So mainly the collection and the flowers, ephemera. And so for this box we have the 8x8 collection and the 8x6. So I did put a video previously kind of like walking through what comes on the box, so you guys can refer to that one if you're interested on that. And so yeah, so I went ahead and created an 8x8 mini album. The pages are super easy to make, but also really interactive book. So it's a full-size book, and I really love how this book came out. So here on the cover we have the beautiful house that obviously is, I think, the main piece of the collection. Is just so beautiful, and the flowers here as part of the box. And I went ahead and made these to be able to open. So I just love this other image here with the beautiful living room, and it just looks so cozy and so fun. So I added some of the ephemera pieces here to kind of create this whole scene, and I just really love how these turned out. So a fun little page here, which is a little bit hidden because I wanted it to just kind of look like the beautiful house, and then the inside. And then for the spine and for the back, same thing for both, I went ahead and just did this little kind of like a collage here, or paper piece, to make this kind of look like one of the rooms of the house, with like, you know, like the wallpaper and the trim and the wood board. Like, I just really love how this looks, and it kind of looks a little bit like French style, I think. And so now let's go ahead and take a look inside the book. So when we open this up, again we have the 4 signature pages. It's a full-size album here, and so over here we have again the beautiful house. This opens up, and just some background paper. And then over here this opens up. So I use a lot of my scrap pieces and ephemera to continue decorating some of the inside pages as well. So we have places for pictures here. Then this opens up, and then over here again, place for a picture. This opens up and then opens to the side, another place for a picture, and a beautiful image of the inside of the house. So pretty. And then this whole thing closes up like that. Then over here at the center we have a gatefold page, or on the first page I should say, we have this gatefold page, and I just really love all the collages on the collection. It's so pretty. This opens and opens here, so large area for a picture. This opens here again, and it opens here one more time. So you can do some journaling on the white cardstock, or just add more pictures. I did a little collage here, again using my scraps, just bringing some of the elements of the collection into the inside pages as well. And then this all closes and closes. And then here for the spine, I also went ahead and added some paper, so all of that we do together in the class. So over here on these next 2 pages, I again just kind of dress this up a little bit more with the ephemera. So over here we have a pocket and a beautiful again image from the 8x8 for the collection. This is just a little booklet, so I just left that blank. and then this opens up like that. And so over here on this page you can add small little pictures, or you can just put one large picture and then another place over here, and then this goes back in the pocket. Then again another pocket here and just a little collage, and then this opens up, just room for pictures here. I just left that blank. And then over here the image of the inside of the house. This opens up like that. This is a pocket, and then this opens here, and then over here I just added the ephemera, and then this closes and closes up like that. Okay, so then over here on the next page we have this page that opens like that, and then this is from the ephemera that you kind of have like extra, so I fuzzy cut this around, and then this whole thing opens up like that, and then we have the beautiful house image, and then this opens down, and then again some beautiful background and some ephemera. And then over here, this is actually a belly band that I decorated with some ephemera, and this whole piece is actually removable, so you can take this out as a little insert, and then you can also add more pictures here on these belly bands on photo mats, and then this whole thing goes back in there, so you can add pictures there, and then this closes and closes here on top. So I love making that removable option piece. Then over here on the next page, again the beautiful papers. This opens down, and then over here I wanted to do these two kind of like side arms to hang in place some photo mats that you can put on the center, so you don't have to glue your picture on the beautiful paper. You can just have floating photo mats or pictures, and then everything will be nice and secure, so nothing will fall from the side. And then down here we have the little ducky from the ephemera, and then this opens up and down, so lots of room for pictures, and then this closes and closes up. And then on the next page, again the beautiful house. This is just a simple flap to the side, and I just added a lot of ephemera here, places for pictures. I love this little bow. And then over here on this side, this opens up, and this is a pocket because this is actually an easel car, so that opens up like that, and then this whole thing slides here to the side, so place for a picture there as well. So really fun page. And then you can also use the pocket, of course, to add more photo mats. And then over here on the back, I went ahead and added this piece and just kind of glue the sides to make this into a pocket. So just cute little tags in there, so those go in here. And then this is a double accordion fold, so it opens up like this. And again, that page that I loved, you can add small pictures or just put a large picture on the top. And then each one of the sides are decorated with some ephemera. Same thing over here, some ephemera, place for picture or journals, journaling. And then over here, this page, again, it has a little closure. This is one of the cards from the collection. This opens and opens. And then some ephemera, just the background. So this is like the piece that you can do cut apart, but I just glued the whole thing as a fun kind of like collage page. And then this closes and closes up like this. And then this opens up, and again with the fun collage page. And then this is actually another insert. So you open this up, and then this whole thing can come out of the book and just kind of be this own separate piece. So you have a place here in the center that you can journal or add pictures, and then this closes up and magnetizes. And then here you have the two belts that hold this little attachment in place. So I thought it was really fun to kind of create these detachable pieces, and then you can just put this back in here. So I'm just gonna slide this through, and You can do little collages here, and then that just closes and magnetizes back in place. And so that is the beautiful Home Sweet Home collection by Minty. Get this box as a standalone, and I can email the class to you. Also, if you subscribe to the box, you will start with the box for the month of July, and if not, I will have these available as a video class as well. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the project, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.